Are you plagued by allergies? Do you want to know a natural solution that can help stop your suffering? You are in luck, because local honey is a superfood that can make a difference in your life. In this video, we will show you how to use local honey to help alleviate your allergy symptoms, so stick around and find out how. Allergies can affect your day-to-day activities and overall quality of life. They come in numerous forms: allergic, rhinitis, asthma, food allergies, and hay fever, to name a few. Many people take antihistamines or consult with an allergist to manage their condition. However, there is a natural remedy that has been gaining traction as a powerful ally in fighting allergies: local honey. Local honey is honey produced from the flowers and plants in your local area. Some studies suggest that local honey is better than store-bought honey at treating allergies. This is because the honey contains small amounts of many of the same allergens and irritants you will find in the air in your local area. Eating or applying local honey can help your body build up a tolerance to the allergens. So how do you use local honey for allergies? There are several ways you can harness the power of local honey to reduce your allergy symptoms. The first way is to apply it directly to your skin in the form of a mask. Make a mixture of equal parts honey and water, and then apply it directly to the area of the skin that is displaying allergy symptoms. Leave it there for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Repeat every day for maximum results. Eating small amounts of local honey on a regular basis is also an excellent way to benefit from its allergy-fighting properties. Try adding small spoonfuls of local honey to your meals or snacks throughout the day. You can also take a spoonful of local honey first thing in the morning and another before bed. This will make sure that you get the full benefit of the honey's compounds. Finally, you can also add local honey to warm lemon water or tea. The combination of all these natural ingredients can soothe sore, irritated throats and help your body deal with allergen irritants. Local honey is a natural and cost-effective remedy for allergies. With dedication to using it regularly, you can reduce your allergy symptoms and live a healthier, happier life. Are you ready to make local honey part of your daily routine? With its potent anti-allergy compounds, local honey can help reduce your suffering from allergies and get you feeling back to your best self. Try adding local honey to your meals, snacks, and drinks, and apply it topically to your skin if needed. Watch this space for more tips and tricks on how to use local honey for allergies. If you like this video and find it useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Show us some love by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.